Hello from beautiful Dusseldorf, Germany. You can kind of see behind me a little bit the ship and the city. This is our first stop on the Rhine River and we're super excited. We're actually going to explore in town today. You can kind of see the steps there leading up to the town. Right behind me there is the lovely pool here on the Amamora, which does include a pool bar, which is kind of exciting. We're going to check that out later. We are headed out shortly on a beer walking tour of the city, and so more photos and videos to come.
Ready?
Action!
Very nice!